Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of our podcast. Today we are going to share a story about Vladimir Putin, his life, and his great work. Putin is a very important leader in Russia and has had a big impact on the world. Let's dive into his story. Vladimir Putin was born on October 7, 1952 in Leningrad, which is now called St. Petersburg. He grew up in a normal family and was always interested in politics and international relations. He studied law at Leningrad State University and graduated in 1975. After that, he joined the KGB, which was like the secret service in the Soviet Union. He worked there for many years, even in East Germany. In 1990, Putin moved back to Russia and started working in local government in St. Petersburg. He helped with international relations and became an advisor to the city council. His hard work and talent caught the attention of important people, and in 1996, he moved to Moscow to work in the Kremlin. His career really took off in the late 1990s. In 1998, he was appointed as the director of the Federal Security Service, which is like the country's security agency. Then, in 1999, he became the Prime Minister. Just a few months later, on December 31, 1999, the President of Russia, Boris Yeltsin, resigned and named Putin as his successor. This was a big surprise, but Putin was ready for the challenge. In 2000, Putin was elected as the President of Russia. He promised to make Russia strong again and improve the economy. During his first term, he focused on fighting corruption and making the government more efficient. He also worked on building up Russia's economy, especially in areas like oil and gas. This helped Russia become an important player in the world economy. Putin faced many challenges, including dealing with terrorism. In the early 2000s, there were terrorist attacks in Russia, and Putin took strong action to protect the country and its people. He also worked to improve relations with other countries. For example, after the September 11 attacks in the United States, he offered Russia's help in the fight against terrorism. In 2008, Putin became the Prime Minister again, and in 2012, he was elected President once more. During his time as President, he has continued to focus on making Russia strong and influential. He has worked on modernizing the country's industries and improving living standards for Russians. Putin has also been very active in international affairs. He has tried to make Russia a more important player on the world stage. For example, he has worked to improve relations with countries like China and India. However, his actions have sometimes caused tensions with other countries like the United States and European nations. One of the most talked about events during Putin's time in office was the annexation of Crimea in 2014. This was a big change in Russia's territory, and it made many people around the world very concerned. More recently, in 2022, Russia started a military operation in Ukraine, which has caused a lot of discussion and conflict. Despite the challenges and controversies, Putin remains a very important leader in Russia. He is known for his strong leadership and his focus on making Russia a powerful and respected country. Many Russians see him as a symbol of strength and stability. Well, that's the story of Vladimir Putin. Thanks for listening to today's episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast. We'll be back next time with another interesting story. Have a great day.